Hello, my lovely Aries. This is Srividya, and we'll be doing your love and relationship reading. What's coming on for you? What your partner is thinking? And let's shuffle the card. I'm feeling a bit heavy energy here, major turmoil, but something new is also there. Some of you could be pregnant, but you have some hidden hurdles, hidden introspection that you need to do. That's what I am getting. And final time shuffling to get your energies for the coming month. Okay, cards are shuffled. Let's begin your reading. Okay, let me get some clarificatory cards shuffled also. Shuffling to get Aries energy. What's going on with them in their love and relationship life? What's going on with them? Okay, someone is coming back also for some of you. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's take a deep breath. And here's your reading, the past energies I am seeing for you. Ace of Swords. Wow. Again, this is a new beginning card. Knight of Swords, and that too reversed. Okay. And Seven of Swords reversed. Okay, okay. So in the past, I am saying that again, this is a reading where the breakup happened a while ago. That could be a year, 6 months. That was that period, 7 month period. This is related to that breakup where you now you must have feel deceived and you were angry on that person on your ex, and you just started and just you wanted to start, you get a clarity over it. There was some deception over there. You trusted this person, but he cheated you. Let me get some clarification for Ace of Swords. King of Pentacles. Okay. Knight of Swords. Ten of Cups. Okay. And Seven of Swords. See, the Ace of Sword is here. Ace of Sword is here. So major new beginning was there. But also I see a new beginning in the past. Only I am seeing that new beginning as well as some ending with the ex. The ex cheated you somehow, and you were really hopeful for this relationship, or you were very, the person who could be very wealthy. He was a grounded person, and you started a life with, you just hope to start a life with him with clarity and with, so there was so much clarity in your relationship, but suddenly something happened which you didn't expect. Some of you could be married, happily married to this person, but then something happened that broke down the relationship, that brought some turmoil in the relationship. You felt deceived. Current energies. Page of Pentacles. Your current energies, please. Current energy of Aries. King of Cups reversed. Ace of Cups. Wow. Currently, you are having an offer. My dear Aries, you are having an offer in your life regarding some stability, some new beginning. There's a new beginning coming. Page of Pentacles is clarified by Page of Wands reversed. Either your partner could be very childish, very immature. There must be a age gap between you and your partner, or you must be having two kids, uh, in which you are like, you, this is like something that gives you happiness as well as the bringing you down, like you cannot think about yourself because of the sake of the children. And a major, I am saying that most of you have been married. King of Cups reversed, clarified by, okay, in current scenario, again the breakup is here. Definitely a breakup is here. It's like something going on, not completely gone, but a fight, a major fights are going on. Ego clashes are going on. You are not happy with the man you are with. There is the love is not there. What I am seeing. Why the Ace of Cups is here? See, you are this is like something is being offered to you, some new relationship is being offered to you, but you are not happy with the offer that has been made to you. This could be the past person who is again, who is the energy has not gone, the past person is here only, that's what I am feeling, and he is again giving you a cup of love, offering you something, some stability, but you don't trust this person, you are angry, you have been angry on this person has cheated you in the past. Future energies, please. Four of swords reversed. Page of swords. Childlike energy, very much immature energy coming, as well as children's are involved here. What I am seeing is that children's are involved here. Okay. And three of wands reversed. One final card. Ten of swords. Oh my god. The lovers reversed. See, this is Gemini card. You could be connecting to Gemini, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. King of Cups is Libra, Scorpio again. So I feel that overall the theme is that you have been deceived, you have been betrayed, you have been backstabbed, but then also you are managing a relationship that is at the brink of collapse. In the future, they see in the future also, if this continues to go on, you will feel heartbroken, and you won't understand what to do, how to gain the stability. The stability is missing, you can feel restless, where I am going, where I am heading. And for those of you who have children involved, you are very much insecure about your your children. In future, I see that you will not be hoping very much for this person to grow up, to mature, or to give you anything what you really want, because this person is very mature person and he keeps a tab on you all the time. The freedom is not here. I'm not saying that you are a very free kind of person. All is related to family. The family life is very important to you, and that is what is missing. The clarity is missing. Okay, then also I am seeing that there is some new venture that you are going to take on. In future, I am seeing that you could have a very good news regarding a business, or some new offer, anything related with your stability. The money will flow slowly, steadily, but the money will flow. You might get a job offer, or you might do something for you. But overall, I am seeing is that you are just like feeling backstabbed, feeling betrayed, feeling ill treated, hurt, but then also you are also not doing anything. You are not doing anything. You want a new beginning, but this is something like you are stuck. You are stuck somewhere. You don't know what to do. Okay. Let me get some Osho cards as a advice card for you. Osho card, please. Please suggest my Aries. We are the world. Ordinaries and playfulness. Since I have said that this is an advice for you, so what I am sensing here is that you are being very serious. You are not paying attention to what richness you have in life. You have some superiority inferiority complex also. Let me get one card that I'm not very sure for this ordinance. This is a new deck for me also. Just a moment, guys. Okay. Got it. Sorry. Okay, this is what what is written over here. The figure walking in the nature shows us the beauty can be found in the simple, ordinary thing of life. We so easily take this beautiful world we live in so for granted. Cleaning the house, tending the garden, cooking a meal, the most mundane tasks take a sacred quality when they are performed with your total involvement, with love and for their own sake, without thought of recognition or reward. You're facing a time now when this easy, natural, and utterly ordinary approach to the situation you encounter will bring far better results than any attempt on your part to be brilliant, clever, or otherwise extraordinary. What happened? Okay. Forget all about making headlines by inventing the largest widgets or dazzling your friends and colleagues with your unique star quality. The special gift you have to offer now is presented best by just taking things easily and simply, one step at a time. Yeah, I got it. See, here I told you that you are having some complex in your life, and that's we are in the world is suggesting that we all are equal in the eyes of the creator. So you are not, you should not feel that you are, you don't do anything. Do whatever you like for your own self, not to show it to others, not for Facebook or Instagram or anything. Just make yourself happy, and that you can do with your own playful attitude that you have, the childlike innocence that you have. Be a child, even though you are in a tough relationship, tough situation, then also just don't pretend. Enjoy whatever you have. You must be having a great kids with you, must be having some great surroundings. Yeah, you must have some own native place where you can go and enjoy. So do that, ground yourself and just enjoy the life, although you are facing so much struggle that I'm seeing. That's very clear here, that you have some money problems also, you have some emotional problem issues also, family issues also, that I'm clearly seeing. Someone betrayed you clearly, that's for sure. Okay, let me get card for your partner. I won't say X because here you are connecting with your partner. Okay, thank you, archangels. Okay, let me get cards for your partner, what he really feels about you. And see, these are my cards that I got from my own made deck. The new beginning, pregnancy, and self-reflection. So now I am connecting these with the reading that we have got as of yet. New beginning is for sure some in future, there is some stable offer that is coming your way. uh, that will bring some good luck, some fortune for you. And pregnancy, you could be connecting to a child. Your children are very much important to you. And self reflection, don't be in a complex state. Just enjoy the life as it is. You are a worthy individual, everyone is. Okay, so let me get your partner's energy, what he really thinks about you, my Aries. What this person really thinks about my Aries. The Crow. Okay, crossing card for Crow. Crossing card for Crow. For some of you, I really feel that your person, your present partner, is manipulating you. He knows your worth. He knows that you are much more efficient, much more reliable, and much more stronger than him. But he keeps you down. He is not letting you work. For some married couple, I'm seeing, for someone who are in commitment, I'm seeing that this person knows you're strong, and that's why he's keeping you down. Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. How this person feels about my Aries. How this person feels about my Aries. Crossing card for Four of Pentacles. Okay. This fell down. The Tower. I see. There has been a moment where you have that person backstabbed you, cheated you, and you were separated. There was a moment, and he also like let you go. And then what happened? And then what happened? See, this person cheated you. This person, this person kept an eye on you, what you're doing, let you down, and also used you in the past as a person who can, bring some. You must be a person of good physique or something, and this person wanted to show the world that yes, I have a wife like this. But then after some time, some major break happened between you two, because the matching was not there, and you must have left out. You both must have separated because of the cheating. Then you again came out, and he never used to pay so much of attention on you. He was engaged somewhere else. What I am feeling, that you were no more a pride kind of material for him. Later on, he intended to show the world that I have this, some kind of complex. This person has, major complexes. He has complex with you, he has complex with other person also. And that's why he like all the time bullied you. That's I'm getting. Okay, current feeling of this person towards my, he sees that you are a major entrepreneur kind of person, very capable. He doesn't feel himself that much capable in front of you. My god, this is a complex, this is a like inferiority complex this person has for you. Inferiority complex. This is more than love. It is a carrier reading. Whatever you'll touch, that will turn out to be gold. He knows this, and that's why he is keeping you at the background. The future of how this person will react in the future, what his what he is hiding, what this person is hiding from my Aries, what this person is hiding from my Aries, what this person is hiding from my Aries, what this person is hiding from my Aries. Oh, he just want to see, I got the pregnancy card here also. He is the mother earth. So this person wants you to take care of children, be at home, and do nothing. And that is a trap that he is setting for you. That is his. And what in future is coming for my Aries from this person? What in future is coming from Aries from this person? See, there is some kind of realization. One more card to clarify this. In future from this person. Future from this person. I have so many cards. Okay, I'll take all of them. Eight of Athems reversed, the Star, and the High Priestess. See, this person knows your value. This person knows that you deep down you are suffering, but this is what he wants. He has major complex with you. He knows that you are a star. He really knows that you are a person. This is Aquarius energy as well. And the Hanged Man is here. Hanged Man is I forgot. Okay, leave it. Okay, this is water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This person knows that you are very capable in yourself, very much capable in yourself, and that's why he is keeping you down. He just want to stuck you with the family responsibility, with kids, but in future you are going to get away from it. I'm seeing some good offers coming your way, and then he'll have to take a back step. So, my dear Aries, this was more than a love reading. It was a family relationship reading. So, let me know whosoever resonated with it. Very, very specific reading I got over here. So, bye. Take care.